And again, I'm just fuck you. Tell me. I'm talking. Okay, I'm just talking. Fuck you. Tell me if you guys want me to do this. And it's not going to be just me all the time. I'm gonna fuck you, Ghost. I'm gonna have friends playing. And oh, guys, coming at me! Don't kill me. Thank you. I'm gonna have friends playing with me too. We'll be doing stuff like Minecraft and stuff. I don't know, just random indie games probably. I'm probably gonna save the longer Let's Plays like Minecraft and like not Castminer, fuck Castminer. But yeah, Castminer's fuck, shit. Those games, I'm probably gonna wait till I have an actual recorder so I can record longer and better. Because this camera only holds up to, fuck you, holds up to 30 minutes of recording, I think. And battery's probably really low right now, so it's probably going to cut out randomly. Sorry about that. Probably should have charged it a little longer. As long as I have time to beat the game, I'll be happy. Probably not. So I can find new things, as you can probably tell. I'm not sure if I'm just seeing things, but I'm pretty sure those statues just like twitched. Like one of those two over there just like flicked their head and just scared me. Yeah, where is he? Fuck you. Go to hell. I'm in hell. Shit. Upstream? What are those puzzles? Oh god. I hear the water behind me and I feel like he's following me. And, okay, the water just goes right through the ground. Yay, oh god, creepy thing. I'm not gonna correct myself then. Just gonna jump. Jump. Nope. Oh, fuck you. You. Yeah. I'm just walking through the woods, don't mind me, fuck you. I mean, I don't see you. Fuck. Shit. Okay. Going this way, I guess. That guy. That guy over there, he's not very nice. Shit, where's the road? Fuck, where am I? Oh, fuck you. It's the controller shaking that scares me, I don't know why. Like, I'm probably the streaky noise, and why am I doing so bad this time? I guess I did do really good the first time. Shit. Plus I'm not following the path, I'm just walking aimlessly, talking about random stuff. I cannot focus on more than one thing, apparently. Oh, hello, Mr. Ghost. Oh, maybe he leads me to him. I'm gonna find him. Oh, no he doesn't. Fuck you. I'm just walking through the woods, not doing anything to bother anyone. Fuck you. You motherfucking... He's like a short, beefy version of the fucking Enderman guy person thing. Where to go? I'm at the edge of the map, I think. Can't tell. It's really dark. Oh god, fuck you. Why are you so sweaty? Shut up. Oh god. Oh god. God, this isn't scary anymore. I need to do the other game mode once I die. Fuck you. Where do I go? Where do I go? I don't know. If I'll just sprint. Yeah, going not even faster. Probably. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Barely moving as it is. This guy must have really shitty stamina or something. Unlike that guy who just teleports everywhere. Wish I could teleport. It's like, pew pew pew! Done. Shit. What? I'm back. Maybe I can go this way now without that guy being a douche. Can I? Can I? Huh? Can I? Hey, Mr. Face, where are you? Yeah. You're a tree. Get the fuck out. Is it you screaming? I don't know. Who's screaming? Someone's screaming. I don't like it. Go away, McBeef. I guess I did one less than last time. I don't know. Special game modes. Pick up. Wait, night vision. Pick up 2 more times. What? Okay. Oh god, what did I do? It did not do shit. Oh god. I started in a different place. What the fuck? Oh god. I didn't know it did that. This does not look any different than the other version. Oh no, I just all turned around. Never mind. Hang on, I need to look at this. Does it say anything? That's the speaker. Dave. And it makes that guy turn into a complete asshole. Maybe it says porn stash, I don't know. Is it? Hello? Where are you, Mr. Man? And most of you, or not most, but some of you probably can tell that I'm kind of talking like Spider Carly. Fuck you. Yeah, I watch a lot of Let's Plays, so like Slyfox, Topuscus, a little bit of PewDiePie, and you'll probably be hearing lots of references if I keep doing Let's Plays, along with my friend who also watches like every single person I watch. Shut up, can't give fucking porn stash. I'm behind the giant head, what are you gonna do now? No, you can do that, okay. I'll teleport. Just like looking one way, then all of a sudden you're in front of me. Douche. Oh god. I hope you guys can't see that little orange light in the screen, because I can, and I feel like you guys can. It's just pissing me off now. It's from my camera. I'll probably cover that up if I keep doing this, if it affects the video. There's one. No, that's a tombstone. Here one. Where are you? No, you're right there. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to this thing. Yeah. Such a douche. This tree looks odd. It looks like a tree. Owl? Shut up. It's like every time I'm about to say something. Is your head twitching? Okay. Hey look, it's the monster thingy. Running very faster than I was. Hang on, what is this? Like, is that an iPhone? What? Oh, I think it's a dragon. A dragon. Hold on. Okay, that one actually scared me because I had no clue that that just, okay. That came out of nowhere. I don't like this game. It's kind of boring. I wish I didn't buy it. Like, when I play it for 2 seconds, I'm like, okay, night vision. What? On. Right? Yeah, on. Start. I guess. Oh, God. Night vision does nothing. If anything, it makes it harder to see. You guys probably can't even see this. I can't. Can you see that? Maybe again. I don't know. Fuck you. What? Okay. I'll probably just edit this part out if it's impossible to see. Oh, look, a rock. Never seen one of those before. Okay, a face. That's new. Dun. X-Files. I heard my friend scream, "I'm coming, Billy!" That's your name? I don't know my friend's name. Billy? Tammy? Jacob? Not you. Fuck you. Quit raping people in the woods. Shit. I don't like this. This makes it probably a little bit more eerie. Yeah, I should be able to see better than I was before with night vision. I mean, flashlight would be like making everything just like white. God. Look, is that a base? No, it's a rock. I don't even know anymore. That looks like a path. That's up here, tape. Oh, it's up there. Mr. Man wants his tape recorder's back. Where is he? If anything, this just makes it so you have like less of a view distance. And if you do this, you can't see anything. Oh god, that noise got it scared me. And where'd you come from? Fuck you. He just mad because he was bullied in middle school. He always took his freaking pancakes from him. God, I'm probably really tired. Probably Dad don't even know. Fucking scary dog things again. Hello? Ah! You jerk. Don't do that. Yeah, nice. That was a lot harder, jeez. Oh god. I don't even know. But yeah, that was White Noise. Pretty shitty game, at least. It was something to do tonight, and I'm probably gonna have nightmares because I just do really easily, apparently. But anyway, yeah, just leave comments if you want me to do more short little Let's Plays like this until I get a new recorder. And see you guys later.